Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best HID kit is probably one of the most significant upgrades you can make to your vehicle's lighting system. In this video, we're diving deep into the 9006 HID Kit 6000K, exploring its features, performance, and whether it's the right choice for your car. We'll cover everything from brightness and color temperature to installation and longevity, so you can make an informed decision and light up the road ahead. Number 5. Marsauto M1S 9006 HB4 LED Bulbs. These Marsauto M1S bulbs use 7035 chips to deliver an impressive 30,000 lm of light. They provide a wider and farther range, helping you see everything on the road more clearly. The M1S bulbs have a built-in intelligent CAN bus system. This reduces errors, flickering, and radio interference. Note that some models may need an additional decoder. These HB4 bulbs feature a perfect 1:1 design for easy installation. They fit directly into your existing sockets without any modifications, so you can install them in just 3 minutes. The Marsauto 9006 bulb has a full aluminum body and dual built-in copper pipes. It also has IP68 waterproof capabilities. This helps maintain brightness and clarity, ensuring a lifespan of up to 6,000 hours. The Marsauto 9006 HB4 bulbs have an adjustable snap ring. You can adjust the light angle to suit your vehicle and driving habits. What we like. This product boasts an impressive 800% brightness increase, ensuring superior visibility on the road. Installation is a breeze, taking only 3 minutes, saving your time and effort. If you frequently drive in challenging conditions or prioritize ease of installation, you should consider this product. What people say. The lights are bright and have a nice color. Easy to install. The kit came with everything needed. Number 4. Xentec 9006 6000K HID Xenon Bulb. This is a pair of Xentec 9006 HID Xenon bulbs. They are designed to replace your existing bulbs. You will need an HID ballast for them to work. These bulbs can output up to 3000 lumens, which is 3 times brighter than halogen bulbs. It will significantly improve your visibility at night. The bulbs are machine calibrated to ensure color precision. This means you get consistent and accurate lighting. The color temperature is 6000 K, which is ultra white. These bulbs fit 9006 sockets only. Please make sure your socket is 9006 before purchasing. They are sold in pairs. These bulbs are compatible with Xentec ballasts. They are designed to work seamlessly together. This ensures optimal performance and longevity. What we like. This product offers a significant brightness upgrade, providing up to 3 times the light output of standard halogen bulbs. The machine-calibrated bulbs ensure accurate color, enhancing visibility. If you're looking for a simple bulb replacement and already have a compatible ballast, this is a great choice. What people say. The lights are bright and a great upgrade. They are a perfect fit and easy to install. The light output is great and the color is perfect. Number 3. FAHREN 9006 LED Bulbs, Super Bright. These bulbs use top automotive-grade fog chips, emitting a cool white 6500 K light. The super-focused beam design provides a much farther lighting range, making it 6 times brighter than your original bulbs. With a whole aviation aluminum body, a hollow-carved heat sink design, and a 12,000 revolutions per minute turbo-cool fan, this product offers superior cooling. This ensures a long lifespan, with the bulbs lasting up to 6,000 hours. The design is almost a 1:1 mini size, just like the stock bulb. This allows the bulbs to fit perfectly into your housing and factory sockets without any modifications. It's truly plug and play. These fog bulbs work with 95% of vehicle computer systems without errors. However, some sensitive models may need an additional CAN bus decoder. Please check compatibility before purchasing. Some vehicles may need specific retainers to hold the bulb, but these are not included. This is because not all models need them, and different models require different retainers. These fog bulbs can be used for ATV, UTV or fog lights. Contact us if you need help. What we like. With an 800% brightness increase and a long lifespan, this product provides exceptional performance. The easy 5-minute installation makes it user-friendly. If you want a significant upgrade in brightness and longevity without a complicated setup, you should consider this product. What people say. These come aligned correctly, so no fitting required. Visibility increase has been substantial and I love the bright white. The fan design is awesome and they are literally the same dimensions as the stock H11 and H9 bulbs. The LEDs do line up perfect with the halogen filaments. They have a slightly different beam hot spot than the halogens, and light up the road better without the glare or irritating oncoming traffic. Number 2. Xentec 9006, HB4, 8000K HID Xenon Bulb Kit. This is the Xentec 9006, HB4, HID Xenon Bulb Kit. It includes 2 bulbs and 2 digital slim ballasts. This kit is designed to upgrade your vehicle's lighting. Each bundle comes with 2 Xenon bulbs, 2 35W DC digital slim ballasts, and all necessary installation accessories. Everything you need is included in the package. The kit features 2 Xenon bulbs, designed to fit the socket size and color specified in the title. These bulbs provide a bright, light blue illumination. The kit includes 35W DC digital slim ballasts. They ensure the bulbs operate efficiently and provide a stable power supply. Pre-assembly may be required before installation. Professional installation is recommended to ensure proper fit and function. Make sure your vehicle has a 12V input. Please check your existing bulb before ordering. If unsure, consult your vehicle's bulb reference guide. Using a part finder does not guarantee fitment. What we like. This product comes as a complete bundle, including both bulbs and digital slim ballasts. The pre-assembly requirement ensures everything is ready to go. If you're looking for a complete HID solution and don't mind a bit of pre-installation work, this is a good option. What people say. Great value, great color, awesome light output, the positive and negative wires are correct in the plug. Easy to install, very bright, definitely worth the money. Number 1. HID Warehouse 9006 6000K HID Xenon Replacement Bulbs. These are HID Warehouse HID Xenon Replacement Bulbs. They are designed to replace your existing bulbs. This pair will give your car a light blue hue. Please check the fitment notes to ensure the bulb size is correct for your vehicle's low beam, high beam, or fog light. If you're unsure, please contact us to verify the bulb size. These replacement bulbs are compatible with 35W and 55W ballasts. They work with most aftermarket HID lights, but please check the connectors to ensure they match. Remember, these HID bulbs require an HID ballast to function. They will not work without one. They are compatible with both DC and AC HID ballasts. The package includes 2 HID Xenon replacement bulbs and 2 plug-and-play wiring harnesses. Everything you need to get started is included. Enjoy a 2-year hassle-free warranty. Plus, you'll have access to live tech support via phone and email if you need any assistance. What we like. This product is compatible with a wide range of ballasts, offering flexibility. It includes a plug-and-play wiring harness for easy setup. If you need a reliable replacement bulb with a hassle-free warranty, this is a solid choice. What people say. The lights are bright and have a nice color. The installation was easy and straightforward. The product is well made and of good quality. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.